Hi everyone, I'm Irma, and in this video I'll talk about timelines, as you know from the title already. Whether you want to show the history of your brands, a future roadmap, or maybe a list of important events, a timeline is a beautiful way to represent that information visually. And there are a lot of plugins out there for this particular reason, but if you're using Visual Composer, you've got it all already. There's a timeline element in the Visual Composer Hub, so let's get straight to it. First things first, let's open up the frontend editor and go to the Hub. Timeline, and the element we're going to be talking about today is this timeline with icons. So before we open it up, let me show you the layout that I've got here. So this is an about page for a company. As you see, very simple, quite colorful, and there I've created this spot, history with the milestones of the company, and it desperately needs a beautiful timeline to show the milestones. So let's do that exactly. Let's add the timeline element right here. So this is how the element looks by default. As you can see, it's very simple, quite minimalistic. So that means there's a lot we can do to spice it up. And let me show you exactly what that is. So let's open up the edit window. And here's what you can customize. First of all, the line color, line width, and the position of the icons in regards to the text blocks here. I like it in the middle. And here you can adjust each individual text block. But before that, let's go down a little bit. And the first thing I'd suggest to do is to change the titles. So those you can't really change individually, but you can do it all right here. Change the font style, the color, obviously. Let's say I want it to be this right here. I want the color to be pitch black. And that's it, for example. I'm done. And then, of course, the design options, as always. So now we can go back to the individual text blocks, starting from the top here. So here you can change the title, but as you remember, it's customized already. So it's just the text. But here you can see our trustworthy tiny MCE editor, where you can change the text right here. So, and as always, you can change the font here as well. Let's put the same one. Change the font weight, size, as always. And what you can do here is change the content position. You can't see it right here because it's collapsed, but as you can see, it changes the position. So let's go right back. What else you can do here at this edit window of the particular text block is change the icons. As you might already know, here in Visual Composer, you have a ton of icon libraries to choose from. So choose whatever you want and whatever fits your website the best, and just choose an icon. And you can also add a hover effect to the icon and a URL to the icon as well, and an animation to each individual block. All right, so in short, that's what you can do. But before you leave me here, let me show you what I've created already. So I've created a timeline that would fit this layout perfectly. So let me show you what it is. Timeline. And now it's going to be at the bottom. And this is my timeline. So let's just take the elements, as you know how to already probably, and let's just move it to the spot where it belongs. And that is right here. All right. So that's what you can do. I've changed the colors of the icons, I've changed the icons themselves, and as well as the text and the fonts. So it's that simple. So make sure to try the timeline elements and just make it your own. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.